Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a picture or visualization that you just created using Napkin AI to your Microsoft PowerPoint document, and there are two ways where you can do that. So the first method is the traditional method where you have to download the image and then put it into your PowerPoint document. So the first method is quite simple. You just need to click on this export button, and after that you can select the format to be PNG. That's the format that I highly recommend. And you can adjust various settings like whether you want to put napkin logo, whether you want to use light or dark mode, or maybe you want to change the background to be transparent, and also the resolution of the whole picture. In this case, I will try to use the basic or default setting. And after that, you're going to click the download button, and the picture has been downloaded to my computer. This is the chart that was created using Napkin AI, but now it is in a PNG format, which is very much suitable to be inserted into a PowerPoint document. So from there, you can just go to PowerPoint, click the insert menu, and then click pictures, and then select this device, or you can also just drag and drop the file into PowerPoint, and the picture will be there. It's quite simple. But the second method is way better and faster. So let's go back to Napkin AI, and here, if you click the export button again, you'll see that download is not the only button that is available on this interface, on this menu. You can actually click the clipboard menu, the clipboard button right here, and basically it will copy this item, this visualization, into the clipboard, and then you can open Microsoft PowerPoint again, and let's try using a different slide, and then you can right click and then click the paste button right here, or you can press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and key. And there you go. Now we have the same picture, the same chart, but we don't have to manually download a picture from Napkin and then manually insert that into your PowerPoint document. It is as simple as just copy and paste. So that's all the methods you can try to put the Napkin AI document or Napkin AI visualization into your PowerPoint document. I hope you find this video to be useful, and if that was the case, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.